I know that you know that Instagram is a great way to grow your business. You can get in front of like 2 billion people per month who use Instagram, all for free. But look, like most things, there's a catch. How do you get your product in front of them? You see accounts with, thousands, tens of thousands and more. And look, I know you're just wanting to get to that maybe 100, maybe 1,000 person subscriber follower mark. What if I said it's all possible, and to do so sooner rather than later, and all with people who really want to know about your product? How fantastic is that? Today I'll be sharing with you 5 tips to make this all possible for you. But look, just a quick word of warning. You need to put all 5 of these strategies in place so you actually get to see your growth and get to see it work. And as usual, this channel is for people just like you, business owners who want to grow their account to grow your business. I'm not an influencer channel, or I'm not into dancing or any of that sort of stuff. It's all about business growth. Alright, so the first step to getting in front of the right people to find your product, we need to make sure your account is set up correctly. Have you got a clear name? Does it say what you're actually selling or something relating? Keywords are what I'm talking about here. And you really do need your keywords to describe your business. Look, if you're not too sure, I want you to go to your friends and your family and ask them to explain your business back to you. What are some of the words that they use? Write them down and look them up. Check out Google. So here's a great tip for you. Go to Google and look those keywords up, like I said, and have a look what pops up in the suggestion box. They are the top ranking search terms that your audience is looking for. Use these and Instagram algorithm will know how to categorize your account correctly. Put those keywords in your bio, in your name, description, look even in the captions and the images themselves, and you'll find that Instagram will then be able to segment your account and send it in front of the right people. By doing this, it really helps the algorithm out, and it really tells the algorithm, this is what my channel is about. These are the types of people who want to see it. So then that way, when we talk about step number 4, which will be coming up soon, finding those people who will want to buy, we can then start attacking things from both angles. We can get the algorithm to work for us, and we can do some other techniques. So just keep watching for this one. Make sure you don't miss that particular step. Alright, so moving on. The next step to growing your account as fast as possible to grow your business is creating content that solves a problem for your target audience. Now, they may or may not know that they have this problem, but talk directly to them, tell them about it, and tell them how to solve that problem. That way, you become known as the go-to person in your industry. It's what can set you apart from your competitors. Now, whatever you do, please just don't put up sell posts. You need to give people a reason to hang around. And look, I'm sorry, but if you're putting up all of those posts that just sell buy my product, they're not going to stay. This step is super important for 2 reasons. Firstly, it helps to get people to start to trust you, and so therefore they're more likely to buy from you. And secondly, the algorithm, it's going to really help that out once again and work out where to send your account information. And your posts will be pushed out further to more people. Those right people, those are people that actually want to buy your product. Win-win. Now, I just want to pause here for a second before I talk about the 5th step in this process, which is what ties all the hard work together, and it's actually what makes that sale. Now, look, I know this is not actually hard work. You do need to put a little effort in. I'll let you know some secrets that will cut that time drastically on the amount of time you spend actually on Instagram, so you can spend more time in other aspects of your business, because I know running a business is really hard work with a small team, even if that small team is like, just you. Like how I started, like a lot of other small business owners have started. Anyway, let's move right along about stories. The next step to growing your account, to grow your business, is stories. But here's the catch. Not your stories, other people's stories. Let me explain how this works in your favor. So what I'd like you to do is check out your current followers' stories, like them, interact with them, ask them questions if something generally inspires and interests you. Answer their polls and everything else that they've asked you. If they're asking you a question, answer them. That way, when you post something afterwards, it will get pushed higher up in their feed. And not only that, but it's showing a human side of it, as in you're talking with your particular followers. That way, once again, they're more likely to trust and know you and start that conversation happening. Which, look, it might not lead to a sale right then, but you'll become more known and familiar and more comfortable for that purchase to happen. So the next step to growing your account, to grow your business, is engaging with the right people. Those that actually might want to buy your products. Now keep listening, as I'm going to share with you my best kept secret, the secret that I use to grow all my clients' accounts so fast. But first, I'd just like to discuss where to find the right people. So what I'd like you to do, I'd like you to go to the accounts where your target audience might be hanging out. For example, it might be a direct competitor. It could be something else that your target audience loves. For example, if you sell baby clothing, there's a good chance that they might also follow maybe Huggies, maybe some baby wear. So what I'd like you to do, go to that particular account. So Huggies or your baby wear account, look under their followers and then have a look at their audience. If their followers' accounts are not private, go into their account, like and comment, give meaningful comments if something really does once again inspire you. No, be a human, don't just go, yep, great, 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 great. Put something thoughtful there. Maybe even if you can, ask a question, maybe give some really good feedback. Try and encourage a two-way dialogue happening. That way, the algorithm once again will go, I reckon you're friends with this person, so therefore I'm going to push your reels and your posts to this particular person. Not only that, but if that particular person likes what they see, they jump onto your account, they might want to follow you. So you have a new follower perhaps, but the algorithm also knows, hey, that's where you would like me to send your information. Okay, so now onto that step that's going to save you so much time. And it's going to really boost the algorithm in your favor, which is what we all want. Whenever you get a chance, instead of typing a message, a DM message or anything like that to somebody else, use a voice message. It shows that there really is a human on the other side of that account. So the other person is actually more likely to reply. You can also send a personalized message, look up their name, have a look at some of their posts, talk about it, be that human on the other end of the line and personalize each message. You will get the job done so much faster. So I suggest whenever you get a brand new follower, welcome them into your world. Send them a DM, and this is a perfect opportunity. Send them a voice message. What I would suggest, once a week or every couple of days, go along your new follower list and say hi. You may even get a sale right then. Who knows? Don't be pushy, but just start asking a few questions and becoming trusted and known. Just as in being a nice human being. That's all you need to be, because I know that you are. And at the end of the day, it's worth giving it a try. The bonus is, if you have quite a few new followers at that particular time, you can send them messages rather quickly. So whatever you do, here's a big tip for you. Don't send one message to somebody and copy and paste it to lots of other people. Instagram will go, I think you're spamming me. And they will actually block your account for a short period of time, but just keep everything personalized. So these steps are going to really help grow your account as fast as possible. But if you want to find out how to increase your Reels reach to really gain that momentum and see everything happening really quickly, then you better watch this video. It's simple steps just for business owners like yourself to grow their accounts with people who want to buy. Click to watch on this now if you want some super fast results.